Okay, now we will build this feature. What was that? I, as I mentioned before user go to reaching out the dashboard, we make sure is user has business first. If use if user doesn't have any business, then we make sure user create a new business first, and then let them go to dashboard. So before we build this flow, make sure you create the Firestore first. If you m- make Firestore, then we should make sure change the rule. The default rule will be forced to you, but we make sure to true to allow read and write. So if you setting that, mm, we will we will make this process. I will review it. So our goal is now check business is registered or not. For that, we should reaching out to our Firebase database first. So for that, I will I do uh, code this to reaching our database is from the just is from here. The official Firebase document you can get easily. You can see that how can we get reach to our database. We use the get Firestore, make sure import, and then we will get our database document. That's that part. Doc ref. We use database here, and I set the business because I will make the information name the business database, and then I will classify the data with the user.email. User, where's user from? Where we set user information. We will set in kind. So if you go to kind document, you can see we can get user information with a use kind browser client with if you use the use client in Next.js. So after that, you use the doc snap with the get doc. We will use the await function here. So make sure is business registered async. So if we have any uh, user.email database in business database, I will console the log document data with the data. If not, I will console the log no such document. Let's do that. If I go to dashboard and see that no such document, of course, because now my database is nothing inside. So that's good. So as we flow, if user doesn't have any business, we will redirect them to create new business first. So that's why I router replace here to create business. What is from? I use the use router next from the next navigation. So if user do not have business, we make user to go create business. So as you see, if I go to dashboard, they redirect me to create business because I don't have any uh, business now. Good. So as you see, here is a create business page. Yeah, that's it. And in addition, I set the loading too, because without this, we we will uh, show to user our dashboard page before they landing the create business. So I use the use state, and then if loading true, we turn loading first, and then when user change, we check the user, make sure user is exists first, and then uh, do is business register function.